Welcome to Spaceport America Open House 2019. On April 7th, Spaceport America opened its doors to visitors for a fun and exciting day at New Mexico Spaceport. With lectures and presentations, Q&As, informative vendors, demonstrations, interactive activities, hands-on educational fun, and more, Spaceport America look to share their passion of the commercial space industry and its importance to our future. People were able to view the expansive Spaceport America campus, interact with aerospace technology, and engage with Spaceport America personnel as well as customers like Virgin Galactic. As commercial spaceports are a relatively young and dynamically changing industry, Spaceport America takes pride in propelling the industry forward and sharing their excitement with the public and offering fun for all ages. Welcome to Spaceport America Open House.